To configure proxy on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, open up your setting, go to connections and make sure your Wi-Fi network is enabled, and then you can see the mobile network option. Simply go to mobile network and you can see the access point name. Go to access point name, press the gear icon, then you can see the proxy. Now go to proxy and enter your address, and under port section you have to enter your port number, and once done just press on save. And once you press on save, now simply go back to your mobile and enable and disable your Wi-Fi and data connections, and simply open up your browser. Then if you enter your address, and then your proxy will be work. That's it. And if you want to remove your proxy again, then simply go back to your setting and go to gear icon and clear those things, clear, and you have to remove your port as well, then press on save, then it will be come back again as normal. That's it. Thank you, and don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.